Hello everybody, welcome. Today I would like to introduce you one of our valve assembly for you. Let's take a look. Firstly, you will see the VCINT valve spec, and here is the product code F00RJ00339. And also for this kind of logo, the labeled packages, we support customized service. Inside, this is a plastic bottles, and we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly. And for this one, it's China made brand new. And also we sell the separate one, like this separate valve cap or the valve rod. You can look at it here, and the valve cap there has the coating figures in here. And also, for our product, we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, we can return or exchange it. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more, please send us by the comments or send us by the social medias. And at last, remember, follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.